IFU. This is a Japanese word that conveys strength and dignity. A bold, dependable transport aircraft is bringing IFU from the land where Mount Fuji stands. Larger and heavier, but faster and able to fly farther with high maneuverability. To carry out these seemingly contradictory missions, this military transport aircraft was developed with advanced Japanese technology. This is the C-2. After a 16-year development program that began in 2001, this cutting-edge transport aircraft commenced operations in 2017. While able to carry enormous payloads, the C-2 achieves a superior cruise speed of Mach 0.8. Capable of fast, high-altitude flight, the C-2 enables prompt and economical transport. It can also receive fuel in flight. As both a strategic airlifter for long-endurance, large payload ferrying and a tactical airlifter for close-range support in the front lines, the C-2 is, in terms of size, a versatile military transport aircraft. Let's take a look at what the C-2 can do. The cargo hold has an impressive carrying capacity. The hold has the highest ceiling among military transport aircraft in the same class. The spacious feature is what gives the C-2 its whale-back-like appearance near the main wings. The cargo hold can carry heavy equipment, from mobile combat vehicles to medium-sized helicopters and large connected trucks. It can carry up to 8 463-liter pallets. Maximum payload is about 36 tons. The cargo hold can transport up to 110 passengers, with 54 in the seats mounted on either side, and 56 in detachable seats in the center. The spacious seating, cushioning, and quiet environment reduce stress during long-haul flights. Stretchers for up to 40 patients can be installed for emergency airlifts. The C-2 can also carry a medical evacuation unit. With its large capacity, the C-2 can cruise for about 7,600 kilometers when carrying a 20-ton payload, or travel 9,800 kilometers on a ferry flight. Its range is unrivaled. The C-2's versatile takeoff and landing capabilities is also what makes the C-2 reliable. It can take off and land on short runways. Minimum takeoff distance is 500 meters. Operations may be conducted under a variety of conditions. The C-2 can travel on snowy runways. In 2020, it demonstrated takeoff and landing on unpaved runways. These features equip the C-2 with truly versatile takeoff and landing options. A two-pilot crew can fly the C-2. The fly-by-wire system provides excellent controllability and stability. The C-2 has highly tactical maneuverability in flight. The C-2 can also fly in formation on autopilot. Do you need to smoothly and accurately drop cargo and personnel? Again, the C-2 is your answer. For airdrops, the C-2 is equipped with the container delivery system. The aircraft carries up to 20 A-22 containers, which the pilot can drop all at once at the press of a button. For heavy cargo, the C-2 uses 108-inch platforms that drop with parachutes. Airdrops can be executed from the troop doors on both sides of the fuselage, or the cargo door. The troop doors have extendable air deflectors on the forward side to mitigate the force of the wind. the Loadmaster Station can centrally manage all cargo hold systems. You can rely on the C-2 for precision airdrops. The Tactical Flight Management System can produce tactical flight plans in addition to en route flight plans. Guided by the heads-up display, the pilot can easily fly at low altitude and perform accurate airdrops to the drop zone. The C-2 also comes with a full array of self-protection systems. The sides of the nose and the rear fuselage are equipped with a missile approach warning system and a radar warning receiver to detect threats from ground-to-air and air-to-air heat-seeking and radar homing missiles. These sensors, coupled with the chaff and flare systems, defend the C-2 from threats. Impressive transport capabilities. Superior speed. Long-range cruising. The C-2, a high-performance transport aircraft created from Japanese advanced technology, will play a major role for the future.